DJI is banned. It's illegal. That's actually not what's happening. But something did happen, and if you do fly DJI drones commercially, you kind of need to know what's going on. Without the panic, without the clickbait, without the misinformation. So let's talk about what actually happened with DJI in the US. My name is Cole Connor, and I was put here to do 3 things. Create, inspire, love. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. My name is Cole Connor. I built 2 6-figure real estate media businesses, one on the East Coast, one on the West. I've shot thousands of homes, and I just passed 1 million views teaching others how to do the same, which is dope. I've been flying drones for like 7 years. I'm FAA certified. I've crashed my fair share, and I'm a DJI guy. Right now, the internet's been saying a lot of things about DJI. I just wanted to clear the air. What actually happened with DJI is kind of more technical and pretty boring. There has been federal legislation tied to national security. The federal law required a national security audit of DJI. Congress gave a 1-year window for that audit to be completed and cleared. That window ended December 23rd, 2025. And when that deadline passed, no public clearance had been issued. Simple as that. DJI wasn't suddenly found guilty. There was no emergency vote. There was no dramatic announcement. Restrictions were just automatically triggered. The truth is, we actually don't know if they failed the audit or what. We don't know if the audit was ever completed. And we don't know if it raised concerns that weren't cleared in time. All we know is that no clearance was issued by the deadline. And I guess legally not cleared is kind of the same as failed. So what does the restriction actually do? New DJI drones can't receive authorization to enter the US market. That means no normal path for future DJI drones or releases, and no clear timeline for when that changes. If you already own a drone, you could fly it. Nothing changed with the FAA. Nothing changed with Part 107. Your drone did not suddenly become illegal. You're not grounded. This is about future approvals and sales. It's like a regulatory freeze. And the thing is, there's no scheduled review. There's no automatic second audit. For this to change, one of 3 things has to happen. Federal agency issues a clearance. Congress changes the law. Some sort of exemption is created. So what can you actually do with this information? Because it's kind of vague. And it's like, what does that mean? Don't panic, sell your drone, unless rents do. But also, third, don't assume that DJI is coming back this year with new releases. Keep flying with already what you own. If you want to stock up, maybe stock up. Be aware of the alternatives. Maybe start practicing with a new one if you want. I just wouldn't depend on DJI long term right now. It's what I use. I'm not changing it. But you just don't know. The world's crazy. I did make an earlier video kind of breaking it all down here, and then I also had the FBI stop me for my drone, which you can check out here. I just want y'all to know it's not illegal to fly. Existing DJI drones are good, but the future of DJI is uncertain. That's pretty much it. What do you think of this? What do you think is going to happen? Let me know in the comments. My name is Cole. Hi there. Thanks for watching. If you really liked it, maybe you'll like some of these too. While you decide, here's some music. Enjoy.